Hey guys, it is a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. This is the first real great day that we've had in a long time. Today my brother is getting engaged and my brother-in-law and I are helping him out. We're going to be taking pictures and footage, and I just want to show you what we've been up to here. We've got, this is my ghillie suit, and you can see I've got some moss, I've got some ferns, I have some baby, some boughs here. And then right here I've got my tripod, and I can't show you my camera right now since I'm using it. But we're going to be hiding in undisclosed areas safely. Of course, we're at an outdoor range, and we're going to be taking pictures while they're shooting. And then when he proposes, I'm going to be my hat is actually right over here. I'm gonna be right here, and this is my hat. That's all got a lot of ferns on it, and I'm gonna be looking right here. That orange cone is where he's gonna be proposing, so we'll keep you updated throughout the day. Alright, so my brother's gonna be here in about 20 minutes or so. Just wanted to see if you could spot the ghillie anywhere in here. I can't either until... Alright, Mike, do you want to stand up? There he is. Nice. So, she will never know that we were taking photos. And he knows that we're here, but probably won't be able to find us.
Alright. You want to find a ghillie? Oh. It's right here.